Today you're going to learn how to create a Google Doc from a template and save it in a specific folder. Since all of the coursework that you're going to be doing is already in shared folders, we need to make sure that the documents that you create are placed in those folders. Go to your email, open it up, and your first step after you do that is at the top you're going to see a number of choices that are hot links to various parts of the Google Suite. We want Drive. And what we're doing is we're going to set up a folder that's been shared. So we're going to work with the Geometry 2. Your drive might look like this. So click on Shared with Me. The course that you're creating, so for instance, if you're working in Algebra 1, you'll have the Algebra 1 folder shared with you. There's a little checkbox in the top left corner. Click that, and then your choice is Add to My Drive. You only have to do this once. Now, if you go to your drive, there's that Geometry 2 folder shows up. Awesome. That's the first and most critical step, because if you create Google Docs and I cannot see them, that's a problem. So we need to put them in that shared folder. Next step is to actually create the Google Doc. So in order to do that, we are going to go find the templates. In order to do that, make another tab and then type in, and at some point I would bookmark this, docs.google.com / and then templates. And if you look at the presentation from the webinar, there'll be a link from there as well. Now, depending if you've used templates before, sometimes it might be on public templates, sometimes it might be on the templates that you've created if you actually do this yourself. I want you to go to the Dysart Unified School District templates. There are a whole bunch there. You want the ones from me, so the easiest way to find that, click in the search box for templates, type in my last name, Triolo, Triolo. And the document we're going to create is one for Unit 7 inside the Geometry 2 folder. You click on the button and it will create a copy of that template. And notice it even says copy of the template. Move your mouse to the name of the file, click once, name it first with the course, Geometry 2. And second, it's the name of the unit, which is Unit 7, Circles. Click OK. So we've now used the template to create the document. Now we have to make sure the document goes in the right spot. Remember that shared folder you put in your drive? Well, that's where we're going to put it. So right next to the name, you're going to see a little star. Now the star, if you're going to be using this a lot, you might want to click on that. That just makes it a favorite, makes it easier to find. For right now, we're just going to focus on where to put it. So, move to. And there's my choice, Geometry 2. Don't just put it in the Geometry 2 folder. Dig down a little bit. We don't want it in Unit 6 triangles because this is Unit 7 circles. Click there, move, and that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want to check to see if it's there, go to your drive, go to Geometry 2, you go to Unit 7 Circles, and you can see there's a whole bunch of these because I've been practicing lots. So Geometry 2, Unit 7 Circles, either one of these. I've made a couple of them in the last half hour or so. And that's it. Thanks.